Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on your AMP bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.amp.com.au and hit enter. After the home page of the AMP bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, a menu will pop up on your screen. To reset your password, you'll have to click on the Forgot Your Password button present right below the password text field. After you click on the Forgot Your Password option, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You will have to fill in your username here and then click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, and if you have filled in your username correctly, you'll be further guided to another page which will help you to reset your password on your AMP bank account. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on your AMP bank account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.